When you're uploading story in Facebook, if you want to add GIF to that story, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to add GIF to your Facebook story. For this, first what we need to do is open Facebook application. After that, here you can see create story option. Either you can click on create story or above you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button, and when you're clicking on that, you can see story option. When you're clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. You can reach this page by clicking on create story option also. And from gallery, select the photo or video which you want to upload as story. For example, I am selecting this photo. After selecting that photo, to add GIF, what you need to do is, here you can see stickers option. Click on stickers. When you are clicking on that, you can see GIF option. Click on GIF. Now here you can see so many GIF. You can select whichever GIF you want. For example, I am selecting this GIF. After selecting that, you can place it wherever you want. For that, just click here and you can move this GIF. And if you want to change that size, what you need to do is, with 2 fingers, you can increase or decrease size. For example, I am keeping in this size. After that, if you want to post this story, what you need to do is click on share button. When you are clicking on that, that story will be posted. So this way you can easily add GIF in your Facebook story. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.